Good morning. What I'm going to show you today is how to address the short task, a fairly simple task that I set for you as beginners of Python. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a new REPL. I'm in Repl.it here. You can use your Google account to sign in. I'm going to click New REPL. We're going to make a Python 3 REPL and call it something meaningful. Let's call it car length because that was the problem. And here we go. We're in, and it's called car length. And what was the task? It was, let's just comment this out for you. Comments there don't affect the code. Let's comment. So what we want to do is find out the length of a car in inches, which overall is 12 foot 5 inches long. And I know I'm old and you're young, that's therefore a foot, so that's 12 foot 5 inches. Each foot has 12 inches in it, so 2 foot would be 24 inches. We've got to have a go at using variables today to write a program to calculate the overall length in inches only. So let's use the suggested variables here, shall we? So feet equals 12, so I'm going to assign the value of 12 to feet, and inches equals 5. Oh, sorry. And at the moment we don't know the length, so I'm going to leave that. Let's get into calculating. So the total length is equal to feet plus inches, and that will do something, but it won't do anything correctly. We can run it and just check that it's sort of working correctly. We can't see any output. That's because we haven't printed it, so it doesn't occur in the output in the console. And there are also some problems in how we've done this. So let's get the output first. So we need the print function. And what do we want to print? We want to print length, and it's not a string, so we don't put inverted commas or speech marks around it. And I messed that up. Sorry. There. If we print length there, then it will hopefully print our length. Okay, print is a function, so the arguments to it are in brackets. Alright, so this isn't right, is it? A car is 12 foot 5 inches long. Hold on, 17, it's just adding feet and inches. So what we need to do, we need to say it's not feet, it's, if we want the inches in the feet, it's going to be feet times 12. I like brackets to separate it out. Let's run that, see if that looks a little bit better. And this is what you have to do when you're building a little program, is keep trying it out. Now that looks right, doesn't it? 149 inches long. So that's 12 lots of 12, because each foot is 12 inches, plus the 5 is 149. Well, that's all right. That does the job. We could make this program better. So let's turbocharge this program a little bit. We we might have a different sized car, mightn't we? We might have something else we want to measure. Heck, let's customize this a bit. Feet equals, well, let's let the user input the number of feet it is, and let's use this information here, and actually let's do a prompt. Input the number of feet, and let's do the same for inches. So this is going to get the number of inches and feet from the user. However, there's a problem. If we run this and put in a couple of, it's done something really weird, and this is because when a user inputs something from the keyboard, it comes in as a string. So what we need to do is cast this string to a number, an integer. What it's actually doing at the moment is it's saying, right, feet is the character, well, in this case 4, inches is the character 5, so we want 12 4s and a 5, and that's what it's output here. So that's quite good, really. So to cast it, we just put int for integer, and we want to change what's input into an integer, and then it should, let's say, what were we, 12 foot 5 inches, 149. That is the correct answer. I don't like this, it's ugly. So let's make this look a bit nicer, shall we? Let's just put a colon and a space there, and also just coming up with that is a bit nasty looking as well. So let's print the total length is, and then if we want to print 2 items, I'm going to put a comma in here and then run it again. Input the number of feet. It was 12 foot. Input the number. Hold on. Let's stop that. How could I not have spotted that? I bet you were all screaming at your screen. Screaming at your screen, not screening at your screen. Let's run that again. Okay, number of feet, 12 foot, 5 inches, 149. I think we actually need something else in there, don't we? Let's put inches. Yeah, and then that will make it look even nicer. 12 foot 5 total length is 149 inches. Now the comma actually gives us a space between each one, so it will actually look perfect if we do that. That's better. When we join things with a comma, it actually inserts a space. Okay, that's not bad at all. We can use it for anything. Let's say I'm 6'2". How many inches is that? Let's find out. I'm 6 foot and 2 inches, therefore I'm 74 inches. Great. Well, that's pretty good. What have we done here? We've used a function to get the user input. We've used another function which casts that input into an integer. We've assigned variables, feet, inches and length. We've output and we've input. We've done all sorts there. We've done quite a lot, haven't we? So hopefully that's helpful for you, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.